Hi, my name is Amritanshu Agrawal. My Unity ID is AAGRAWA8. Today I'm going to talk about how to provision servers uh, such as DigitalOcean and Amazon AWS and configure some packages using Ansible. To get started, you will need to sign up with DigitalOcean and Amazon AWS. Once you sign up with DigitalOcean, you have to generate a token for your account and make sure you keep a record of that token. The instructions can be found in this link. Similarly, you will need the access and secret token for AWS, which you can create by logging into your AWS account, going to your account security credentials, and there you can generate one. Once you get all these three tokens, you will have to define them in this kind of tokens, which you can find it out on in your code, such as in your AWS create instance.js you have to add a access scan secret in this one, and in the create droplet one this here. Once you are done with that, you will have to generate your SSH key, which you can run it using SSH keygen -t RSA. The instructions can be find it out here. Once you have that, you have to uh, upload your public key onto your DigitalOcean just to so that you can save it. Once you are done with that, then you will have to upload the same public key to your AWS account, which you can do it going to key pairs, and here you can add import key pair, and here you can choose whatever key pair name you choose here. Make sure you keep track of that. Once you have that key pair, you need to go to your instance.js and add it in this at this value. Once you are done with that, then you have to call this command to get your SSH key ID from your DigitalOcean. This is again the same token which you have saved. Once you have got that, you will get a key ID which you will have need to add it into your this parameter list in this one. Once you have done that, you are ready to go, and let's look at the code which I have. So this is my small shell script which will install all the dependencies which you need to have. Then it will install the Needle and AWS SDK which you need for Node.js to in provisioning the servers, and then here it will call both the JS files to do it. Once you are done with that, then in this package.jsn, in both the thing you will have this dependency to install. Now let's look at the demo. Now once you have set up all the previous things, you can see that there is no droplet created right now. It's still empty, and same goes with AWS. After cloning your repository, go into your repository and type bash. This will install all the dependency packages as well as the node npm packages which are needed for AWS and DigitalOcean. You are seeing here it's provisioning DigitalOcean, and here you are getting the IP address, and similarly now it's provisioning AWS server, and in the meanwhile you will get the IP address here as well. So if you go into the DigitalOcean droplets, Now you are seeing that this droplet is getting created. And similarly, when you go to your EC2 instance, you'll see how one of the EC2 instance is running and it's initializing. This droplet is ready. And here you have AWS instance IP, this thing. Now once this is set up, now let's configure the Nginx packages onto both the server. For that you will need to change the directory to Ansible and run this following command. So it's identifying all the nodes which is available, which is AWS IP address, as well as distillation. It found it. Now it's installing Nginx package to both of them. Once it's finished, you will be seeing, you will have to run this, open this IP address and see whether it's running. So everything is perfectly done and Nginx has been started as well. So let's go to this IP address. Here you are seeing Nginx has been started. Now let's look at the AWS IP address. Here it's running as well. So thank you for watching the video. I hope you won't have any problem in installing and provisioning the servers and configuring the packages. Thank you.